Elemaster Group, since 1978, is a leader in the sectors of EMS, electronic manufacturing services, and ODM, original design manufacturing. In the EMS sector, the company guarantees the full control of the entire supply chain, from the purchase of electronic and mechanical components to the logistics management of finished turnkey products, through the most effective methods of storage and demand management, up to after-sales service to customers on a global scale, thanks to commercial offices and manufacturing plants worldwide. In the ODM sector, the group covers a wide range of services, from planning, design, and co-design of products, DFT, DFM, DTC, to rapid prototyping, from hardware and software development to product industrialization, NPI, and mass production. From the idea to the realization of the equipment up to validation and certification, Elemaster offers the maximum support thanks to the team of around 100 engineers of the International Design Centers, R&D division of the group located in Italy and Germany, made up of hardware and software engineers, electronics and mechanical designers, EMI specialists, and test engineers.
Elitech Innovation in Electronics is the head company of Elemaster International Design Centers. Born in 2000, at the end of 2024, the company moved to the new Innovation Design Center. This is part of Elemaster's plan to extend R&D activities, which plays a strategic role within the group. At Elitech, we believe technology should turn ideas into reality. That's why we created Elevo, our innovation path designed to guide customers from concept to certified high-tech solutions. Elevo is more than just a process, it's a mindset, a commitment to innovation, creativity, and cutting-edge design. Through Elevo, we transform a customer's vision into concrete, market-ready solutions that make real difference in people's life. But Elitech is much more. We are a global design house, combining hardware and software engineering, system integration, and full product development lifecycle under one roof. From idea to certified products, thanks to our internal lab, where EMC, climatic, insulation, shock and vibration tests are accredited according to ISO 17025. With eco-design, value engineering, and obsolescence management, we guarantee not only excellent performance, but also a strong commitment to the environment and society. From embedded systems to AI, power electronics, and robotics, we push the boundaries of what is possible. For us, innovation is not a choice, it's our commitment. Let's build the future together.
Elemaster Germany, based in Ulm, southern Germany, is the heart of our R&D division, dedicated to the DACH area: Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. We provide engineering services, rapid prototyping, and production of small series. We follow projects in their entirety, from conception to series production. Our design center has a strong focus on innovation, quality, and customer care. The company offers design and production services for electronic equipment within all high technology sectors. With a team of highly skilled engineers, we provide tailored solutions for sectors such as railways, medical, industrial automation, avionics and aerospace, laboratory equipment, meeting the highest demanding standards. Our team of engineers with decades of experience within diverse industries works closely with our customers to turn their ideas into reality. What sets us apart is our ability to support our customers at every stage, from the initial concept and system architecture to hardware and software design, prototyping and validation. We also offer a long-term support, including redesign and re-engineering when components become obsolete. When it comes to sourcing materials, we rely on a strong network of approved and validated suppliers, both local and global. Thanks to our worldwide harmonized PLM system, we can seamlessly transfer, update and monitor our customers' products across the entire Elemaster manufacturing global network. Thanks to the strong integration between our R&D, production and process engineering teams, we ensure a seamless transition from development to full industrialization. This enables us to support our customers throughout the ramp-up phase, where all key parameters across engineering and production are continuously monitored and optimized until full mass production maturity is achieved. The result is a high-quality, reliable product delivered at a competitive cost. Our customers benefit from having Elemaster Germany as a strong and trustable local partner by leveraging our global manufacturing capabilities. This winning combination of global reach and local presence allows us to deliver flexibility, speed, and full supply chain integration. In addition, our advanced logistics solutions enable our customers to rely on nearby stock availability, ensuring continuous access to components and finished goods. This translates into greater reliability, convenience and overall efficiency in their sourcing and procurement processes. At Elemaster Germany, we combine deep technical expertise with a customer-first approach. We believe that innovation is not just about technology, but about creating solutions that are robust, future-proof and dedicated to each client's specific needs. Our mission is clear: to be a trusted partner for companies across the DACH region and beyond, delivering cutting-edge solutions designed in Germany for the world. Together, we design the future, one solution at a time.